The Naughty Parrot. Mum wants Jake and Molly to go to the shop to buy some food for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Can you go shopping for me, please? Here's the shopping list and here's some money.
OK, thanks, Mum.
Jake and Molly go to the shop on their bike.
Can I have some bread and some potatoes, please?
Yes. Here you are.
Thank you. And can I have some carrots, some tomatoes and a yoghurt, please?
Yes. Here you are.
How much are these green beans?
They're 25 pence.
We've got bread and a peach yoghurt for breakfast.
Shush, Toby!
A naughty parrot takes the bread and the yoghurt.
We've got green beans and carrots for lunch.
Toby, stop it!
The naughty parrot takes the green beans and the carrots too.
We've got potatoes and tomatoes for dinner.
Toby, what's the matter?
The naughty parrot takes the potatoes and the tomatoes. There isn't any food in the bag now.
Oh no! Where's the food?
Look, there's a parrot in the tree. It's got our food. Magic bike, can you help?
Here you are, Mum. We've got all the food for breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Thank you.